Thank you for joining me. Before we begin, let me help you by setting the mood. Firstly, it is important to be in a quiet, safe place where you will not be disturbed. And please note, there is absolutely nothing in this session to be nervous or concerned about. This is all for you, and you are in control throughout. Next, it is important not to focus on language, accent, or the individual words. It's the energy of the words which are important, so relax, and your mind will absorb them naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious thought or effort. Make sure you are in a warm, settled, comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Next, gently clasp your hands together and let them rest in a comfortable position. This naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort allows all your energies to balance. You are now beginning to feel cozy and relaxed, and with every breath, you sense in the most pleasant of ways all your energies balancing in the most positive of ways. Now that you're feeling balanced, settled and comfortable, it is time to focus on your breathing. To start with, if you can easily breathe through your nose, then do so, both in and out. If not, breathe through your mouth and follow the same instructions. The most important thing is for you to be comfortable. Now, start to gently slow your breathing down. Slowly in and hold for a fraction. Then slowly out. And again, hold for a fraction. As you continue to breathe deeper, deeper and deeper, imagine when you breathe in that you are breathing in from your feet, inhaling gently up through your whole body until it passes through your head towards the ceiling. And when you breathe slowly out, imagine as you exhale that your breath is moving downward from above your head and is being released slowly through your body until it reaches your feet and passes into the ground. Then begin the process again. Slower, deeper, more relaxed. Slower, deeper, more relaxed. Slower, deeper, more relaxed. As you breathe slower and deeper, every breath relaxing you more and more, you become more aware of how peaceful and good you feel, and this adds greatly to your feeling of well-being as every breath makes you feel more and more blissful. It is now you will feel that all that has been bothering you is melting away in the warm feeling of bliss which is filling your mind and body completely. Now, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort feel a very pleasant, ongoing, soothing feeling of heaviness coming over your entire mind and body. Every muscle and nerve in your entire body is naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort completely relaxed and at ease. Your mind is naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious thought or effort, completely relaxed and at ease. Your upper body is naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort beginning to feel heavy, so very heavy. Your arms are naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort, beginning to feel heavy, so very heavy. Your legs naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort begin to feel heavy, so very heavy. Your entire body now is naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort very heavy and sleepy, so very heavy and sleepy. Your head and eyes feel very tired now, and your eyelids are very heavy, and now you just want to keep your eyes closed and fall into a deep, delicious sleep. Your eyelids now are impossible to keep open, and you shall now naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort, very happily enter a deep, sound, totally relaxing, hypnotic sleep. You will now naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort hear, absorb, and allow your subconscious mind to act upon the positive, healthy, hypnotic suggestions given, which will resonate in the most positive of ways through every part of your complete being. During this hypnotic sleep, you will naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort, be oblivious to any external influences which could affect your wonderful feeling of peace, bliss, and stillness, unless there is something untoward. If this happens, you will become immediately fully awake, alert, calm, yet decisive. You shall be able to wake up at will at any time, should there be a need to do so. When I completely count of 3, it will be naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort utterly impossible for you to keep your eyes open as you enter into this deep sound and wonderfully comfortable hypnotic sleep, where you will only be aware of my voice. 1. Your eyelids are so heavy and you feel so cozy and comfortable. 2. You feel as if you're floating on a warm, fluffy cloud of bliss. 3. Deep sleep, sound sleep, cozy sleep, deep sleep, sound sleep, cozy hypnotic sleep. You are now naturally, easily, and without concerted effort in a deep hypnotic sleep, where your true inner being will relish and engage with this opportunity to make positive and beneficial changes in your life. Deep sleep, sound sleep, peaceful sleep, deep, sound, peaceful, hypnotic sleep. I am now communicating directly with the real inner you, the you that controls your subconscious and conscious minds. Deep sleep, sound sleep, peaceful sleep, deep, sound, peaceful, hypnotic sleep. Just as your physical body feels so very comfortably heavy in this hypnotic sleep, your inner being is naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort, becoming lighter and brighter with every breath you take. Because of your wonderful, positive, bright inner light, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort, neutralize any and all negative, unhealthy, destructive energies within and around you. You naturally, easily, automatically and without concerted effort. Take positive learning from any negative thoughts or experiences you may have had, and those negative thoughts and experiences never make you feel better, and they have no negative influence over you in any way. You now naturally, easily, automatically and without concerted effort acknowledge any spiritual, mental, physical or sexual hurt or negative experiences you may have received during your lifetime, so that they now no longer have any negative power or effect over you in any way. Now, just breathe gently and deeply and relish this release. Deep sleep, sound sleep, peaceful sleep, deep, sound, peaceful hypnotic sleep. With every breath you take, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort become more relaxed and peaceful, and it feels as if you're ever so comfortably floating on a warm, fluffy cloud of bliss. Now free of all worries, fear, frustration, anger, and anything negative in your life. You realize now with absolute certainty that you are in a position right now to positively change your life for the better in every positive way. And you're doing so right now in this deeply satisfying and rewarding hypno-meditation. Sleep, sound sleep, peaceful sleep, deep, sound, peaceful, hypnotic sleep. From this moment forward, you will naturally, easily, automatically and without concerted effort never have the desire to binge eat or overeat in any way, and that you will take great pleasure in masticating your food thoroughly. From this moment on, you will naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort have an intense dislike for unhealthy foods and drink. The mere taste of unhealthy food or drink will make you feel very uncomfortable, and you will be unable to eat or drink them. From this moment forward, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort when you eat, you only ever take small mouthfuls of healthy food, relishing each filling bite, which also reinforces your non-greedy attitude and just how good you feel. From this moment on, when you're hungry, you will naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort, only desire healthy food and drink, and even the thought of them makes you feel good, positive, and empowered. You will now, from this moment forward, naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort, politely refuse all unhealthy food or drink offered to you, knowing your desire for them has left you completely. Deep sleep, sound sleep, peaceful sleep, deep, sound, peaceful, hypnotic sleep. From this moment on, your mind and body knows instinctively the best healthy way for you, and they naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort adjust your eating habits to ensure natural and healthy weight loss. From this moment forward, that part of your mind which controls your physical body functions will naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort burn off excess fat in the most positive, healthy, and beneficial ways. From this moment on, your mind and brain naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort keep your body slim and healthy. From this moment forward, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort will feel absolutely no attraction to unhealthy food or drinks or any other unhealthy habits, even though others close to you and around you may participate in unhealthy eating and drinking or other unhealthy habits. They will have no influence or effect on you whatsoever, other than to reinforce your desire for a healthy lifestyle. From this moment on, you will naturally, easily, automatically and without concerted effort find that small, nutritional portions of food not only bring you immense pleasure, but they fill your stomach quickly too. Deep sleep, sound sleep, peaceful sleep, deep, sound, peaceful, hypnotic sleep. From this moment forward, your mind and body naturally, easily, automatically and without concerted effort stabilize your blood sugar at its most healthy level. From this moment on, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort will always enjoy drinking a glass of water before eating. From this moment forward, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort ensure you always have adequate healthy snacks available in the unlikely event that you feel peckish or hungry between meals. From this moment on, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort avoid fad diets of any kind, preferring a happy, healthy lifestyle change to what and when you eat. From this moment forward, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort take a very healthy interest in what you eat, so much so that you happily allow your brilliant inner chef to come forward, so that you now take great pleasure in cooking healthy and tasty meals. Deep sleep, sound sleep, peaceful sleep, deep, sound, peaceful, hypnotic sleep. From this moment forward, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort have complete control of your will in the most positive ways, and it feels good. From this moment on, you now naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort, and with every breath you take, allow wonderful healing energy to circulate around your complete spiritual, mental, physical, and energy systems, restoring them to full and perfect health in every positive way. From this moment forward, you now naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort, and with every breath you take, feel wonderful healing, peace, and serenity permeating every part of your being. Deep sleep, sound sleep, peaceful sleep, deep, sound, peaceful, hypnotic sleep. From this moment on, you now naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort, and with every breath you take, feel the connection to the great positive universal energy which loves and nourishes you. From this moment forward, you will now naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort in any moments of stress, say to yourself in your mind, I am, which instantly brings a wonderful feeling of peace and serenity within you, along with the knowledge, wisdom and courage to take the best and most appropriate action to resolve the situation. Deep sleep, sound sleep, peaceful sleep, deep, sound, peaceful, hypnotic sleep. From this moment on, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without concerted effort will find it the most natural thing at every bedtime, just to still your mind and body, letting go of everything, and to sleep the most wonderful, deep, relaxing sleeps. From this moment forward, when you sleep, normal external sounds and snoring naturally, easily, automatically, and without constant effort just make you feel cozier, safe, and take you to a deeper, sound, healthy sleep. Unless there is something untoward, if this happens, you will waken up immediately fully alert, calm, yet decisive. From this moment on, when you are in your wonderful, peaceful, joyful sleep state, everything that has been bothering you, naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious thought or effort, finds the best solution through your subconscious mind, so that when you awaken in the morning, not only do you feel fantastic and so very wonderfully alive, the answers you have been seeking are there, clearly in your mind. Deep sleep, sound sleep, peaceful sleep, deep, sound, peaceful, hypnotic sleep. From this moment forward, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious thought or effort, are a radiant, vibrant being, filled with positive energy, stamina, vigour, and vitality. From this moment on, each time you sleep, your subconscious mind will naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious effort, replay and reinforce all the positive hypnotic suggestions in this hypno-meditation. From this moment forward, you are naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious effort, a practical, pragmatic, kind person, filled with great common sense and wisdom. From this moment on, you are naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious effort, an intuitive innovator with great common sense and wisdom. From this moment forward, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious effort, thoroughly enjoy appropriate, gentle, stimulating exercise. From this moment on, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious effort, thoroughly enjoy only healthy and nutritious food and drink. From this moment forward, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious effort, have an innate sense that alerts you when someone is not being honest with you, or is seeking to take advantage of you, and you respond in a diplomatic but firm, safe and appropriate way to stop this from happening. From this moment on, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious effort have a most positive, non-addictive and healthy attitude to all things. From this moment forward, you naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious thought or effort, have and attract great positive abundance in every positive way into your life. Now breathe deeply, and as you do so, you will naturally, easily, automatically, and without conscious thought or effort, remember and feel in the most positive of ways the beneficial effects of this hypnotic therapy, especially if and when you begin to feel anxious or stressed. I will now completely count to 3, and then you will open your eyes and wake up feeling full of joy, peace and serenity. And when it is bedtime, you will go quickly on into most deep, relaxing sleep, and wake up at the appropriate time, feeling full of joy, energy, vigour and vitality. 1. Feeling really positive, refreshed and renewed in every positive way. 2. Feeling wonderfully peaceful and serene. 3. Unclasp your hands and open your eyes and feel